everyone, and welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. Happy summer, everyone. Our summer has just begun here in Illinois, and school is over, and I am focusing a lot of my time, especially in the month of July, on scrapbooking and using a lot of my old stash. So I decided to come up with a challenge for every single day in the summertime. And you can join along with me and link your video or your photos on Instagram. My Instagram handle is SCRAPIN number 4 MHE. That is my my Instagram handle, and you can post your photos there, or you can link your videos down below in the comment section. I've completed a few layouts so far for this challenge. The first challenge that I'm issuing is using your old border stickers. This layout I just created today using old border stickers. Maybe some of you know this is Creative Memories. I'm not even sure where this is from. There's quite a few different border strips that I've used from that are really old. And so that is a challenge for my first one, for day one. Day 2's challenge is to scrapbook a page or create a layout with more than one photo. So here is a layout that contains 7 photos. So the more the merrier, and if you can find more than 4 photos, that would be absolutely awesome. The third challenge is using your wood veneer. I like to color my wood veneer in with ink, and all I do is I take a stamp pad and I just kind of rub it on there, and it colors it quite nicely. So this is a page that I used wood veneer on. And my fourth challenge is to use up your leftover letter stickers. So this one, what I did was I used 2 different letter stickers that I had that were the same color, and I created this layout. So every day I'm going to issue a new challenge, and I'm going to create a page, and then I will post it on my YouTube channel, and hopefully that you'll join along. You can get started with these first 4 challenges, and starting tomorrow I will have a new one up. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you'll join along in the fun of scrapbooking this summer. You don't need to purchase any supplies to join in this challenge. This is the goal of this challenge is to use up what we have already in our stash, and I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. I'll talk to you later. Bye.